Yeah, we've made a lot of new signs over the summer. Alan and Jay have been busy. They've signed a lot of experience in certain positions and a lot of youth as well. So.
Brought in a lot of attack and set pieces this year. So got a good variation of throughout the game. So hopefully put a few into play.
I think we've got to be looking at Ewrop really. I know a lot of teams have brought in a lot of good players, but I think we strengthened well over the summer, so I think you've got to look at that really.
I want to say Newtown. Towards the end of the season, they were strong. They got into Europe. They've had a good run in Europe. So I think they're ones to watch this year.
From my mate John, is one of them. At the back, I'll go for some friends. I know Dave Artell plays for Bala. Go for two strikers. Go for Michael Wilde, Chris Venables. Midfielder Mark Jones, Bala.